Parmesan cheese. Okay, yeah, you're thinking rice and cheese. What are you doing, son? Listen, do what you gotta do, alright?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mos. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now on the menu for you guys today, what I'm gonna be doing or cooking is gonna be Cajun chicken. So stay tuned, see how that goes, what that is and what it involves. To be honest, it's my first time trying Cajun seasoning. I've never used it before. I hope I like it. Yeah, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then switch over to Instagram and follow me there. And don't watch my puffy eyes. Let's go. As you can see, first step, 2 pieces of chicken breast. All I'm gonna do is pour a little bit of olive oil. Okay. And then garnish it with some Cajun. I'm going to season it up nicely, and then with some smoked paprika and all. Okay, cover it. Marinate that again. Yeah. Within the look at that. Look at that. Okay. That's ready to be cooked in the oven. I'm going to put it in the oven for maybe about 20 minutes, 25 minutes. Okay. Let that marinate for a little bit. I'm not a fan of these. This is only for the purpose of the video. I actually hate these red peppers. How do you? We are clear. Yes? Yes. Right. These have been washed, and what you want to do is skin down, chop. Skin down, chop. If you try doing it the other way, good luck. You're just going to end up squeezing the whole damn thing, and it's not going to work. So you're better off doing this, okay? I'm going to, for my purpose, because I don't like them, I'm going to keep them in kind of like chunky, so I can peel it out, pick it out and not eat them. Although the flavor of it will go into the food, so yeah, never mind. But I'm gonna try and reduce it as much as I can. Anyway, enough of me mumbling and moaning about red peppers, I don't like it and blah 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 blah. Get rid of the boring side. So yeah, there's that, and then that. Okay, that's out the way. So now I've peeled my onion. I'm going to try and chop it up. I'm going to try this one. I saw it online. Let's see if it's going to work or not. You go like that all the way around. Yeah, and then you go like in the middle. Yeah, okay. Just like so. One more cut, and then you're supposed to chop it up and it comes out all a little bit. Yes, you see that? You guys see that? See what I've been there? Okay, from now on I want to see people cutting onions like this, chopping it up. Okay, and then you just casually go like that. Okay, and then on the other side, and then again, and then again. There you go. Don't want to go let that go to waste. There you go. Happy days, mate. Happy days. All right. Okay, so now make space, get out the way you lot, get out the way you lot, you smelly lot. Yeah, that's that. Okay, also place this to one side. I have got some parsley. You want to chop that up like so, get rid of that. And here's what you want to do. The stems, the bloody stems are always in the way. Always, mate, always, absolutely always. Does that even make sense? Absolutely always. You what, mate? Right, what you want to do, grab the whole bunch and then you just want to chop them up, but please do take care of your fingers. Now, I ain't got no special technique for using a knife, so do it like this, do it like that, I don't know. Go check out on YouTube, and I'm sure there's plenty of videos to say how to chop something and be, like, you know, taking care of your fingers and all of that. But I ain't got no special technique to show you. I don't know. I don't watch those videos. Yeah. There's that. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is it. Oh mate. This is the only downside. Like, when it's wet, it sticks all over your fingers, and then you've got to use a knife to take it off, which is not so wise. But there you go. I'm Middle Eastern. What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? Yeah. Just put that to a side, just very gently. Hopefully it doesn't mix with a lot, because we don't want that. Not right now, anyway. Yep. Look at that. The contrast between the green and red is so amazing, right? Boom. Let's place these two bad boys in the oven. Give it 20-25 minutes. We ain't got long, so we need to move fast. This one. Turn this one on. Place that in. Get the onions. Stick them in. Okay. And then also stick these in as well, all at the same time. It's a lot though, you know. Honestly, I don't want to put all of it in because it's just, yeah, that's enough. That is really enough. I really don't like them. Yeah, right, okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's starting to like slowly sizzle. So what we're going to do is marinate it. Same ingredients. Okay. Ow. Bit of that. Jabbly jabbly. Okay. Now, I've already pre-washed some rice. Just pour it in. Look at that. Okay, there's that. And now what you want to add to it is a pinch of milk, ladies and gentlemen. You want to add some milk, okay? I'll add a tiny pinch of olive oil just to stop it from sticking together and all of that. And then a little bit of water to keep it going. What you want to do then is mix all of this bad boy, wait until it cooks 10-15 minutes, and hopefully it should be done. Ladies and gentlemen, I've just took that out of the oven. That's how chicken is looking. All I'm going to do is flip it over. Okay. Let's see how we're gonna get on. Just like that. It's been about 15 minutes-ish. As you can see, our rice there as well. Put this back in the oven. Come back in about another 5 minutes or so. Just for give you a quick update. Turn the heat on this on real low. What I'm gonna do is turn off the chicken, bring it out, and let it just there you are. Let this bad boy cool down a little bit. Okay. Okay, that made a mess. Never mind. Okay. So whilst that's resting, what I'm gonna do to this is add a pinch of chopped parsley. Okay. There's that. Just a little bit more to be, you know, get it all in there, right? Oh, let me just, right. And then I want to add some pepper because we haven't added this to it, not yet. This is on a low heat, it's cooking very slowly. Okay, that's that. Also a pinch of salt. Yeah, and then give it a little stir. Let that all, you know, sink in. That just made a big mess over there. Oh my! I wonder who's gonna clean that up. Okay, you want to put the parsley in at the very end. Well, near enough to the end. Because you don't want it to really overcook and then just change color and go all like muggy and ugly. So yeah, let that marinate in there as well. We've got our salt, we've got our pepper. Now there's only one more thing that's left to put in here, which is, actually, there's two more things that we need to put in here. We've got a bit of Parmesan cheese. Okay, yeah, you're thinking rice and cheese, what are you doing, son? Listen, do what you gotta do, alright? Done. And on top of that, squeeze a bit of lime juice. Get it all in there, mate, you know what I mean? You want to use the lime juice simply because it's just more tasty and ain't got no seeds to go in the food. You don't need to worry about that. And it's just damn tasty, man. This stuff is amazing. Okay, one whole lime, get the juice out, done. Now give it a final stir. The cheese and the milk from earlier will give it the nice creaminess, and then the lime will marinate it and mix it and just wake everything up. Can you guys see how beautiful that is? Ooh. Okay, so what you want to do, it's still hot, but there you go. Take your time with it. Chop it up. Get through. Bam. Okay. One more. think we can squeeze in one more, right? Beautiful. Now push that over to the side. Bring over the big boy. Yeah. Grab yourself a bowl and insert the whole shebang bang. You want to make sure you want to get 1 or 2 red peppers in there just for the pictures. Once the picture's finished, you want to dash out. Dash it out. Those peppers are not for me. Not at all. I'm not a fan. Please don't try and make me want to enjoy this and tell me what it's good for and what it's not. I don't want to know. Right? Just like so. Okay, let me just put 1 pepper here to make it look like I enjoy it, whereas really it's just like so. Yeah, there you go. That'll do. Okay, and now for the final part. I'm sorry, I'm just really messy right now. Final part, you wanna, oh wow, look at the juice coming out of the chicken, boy. You want to grab your chicken and quickly put it on top, just like so. Just get a little bit on there on the side, one on here. That's a bit big, isn't it? There you go, job done. There you are, ladies and gentlemen. That right there is your Cajun chicken. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come